A new generation of heat pumps is here. This time the difference is not only visible on your electricity meter. This time we've started with a blank paper, or actually with blank screens. Now the result is here, Nibe F1245 and F1145. On the surface not all that different from previous models, but as you get closer everything changes. It all started more than 4 years ago at Nibe R&D department in Sweden. The mission was to design a completely new platform for a brand new generation of heat pumps. Heat pumps that were to be optimal to manufacture, optimal to install, optimal to use, and that were to give optimal results. At the same time they were to be future-proof, easy to improve and develop. This is not only a matter of technology, this is design in the truest sense of the word, from the inside out. Design agency Zenit in Malmö, Sweden has worked on the project from the very start. Design director Morten Rittfeldt explains how a heat pump is to live for a long time and pass through different trends without really being noticed. A timeless exterior was designed and instead focus was put on the interior and functions. The idea was to design a heat pump that when you take the lid off gave the same feeling as when you open the hood of a Mercedes-Benz. Everything well organized, easy to follow and easy to replace components. But also with clever solutions, such as a detachable cooling unit that makes life a lot easier for anyone who is to install a heat pump anywhere where stairs are involved. And a control panel with an iPod-type scroll wheel and a USB connection. All products in this series, from heat pumps to exhaust air modules, are designed to match. When different units connect, they fit, without any visible couplings or pipes. All couplings are flexible, so it is up to the installer to choose on which side to connect the piping. Another important design issue concerns what is inside the control panel. How do you make a heat pump as easy and possibly even fun to use as possible, for end users and installers alike? Anyone can figure out how to use a vacuum cleaner, but a heat pump is a complex piece of equipment with variable settings, adjustments and a lot of information to provide. Because of this, a machine has to be good at communicating with its user. The user interface was designed by Vittre Design in Lund, Sweden, where Mary Christopherson and Susan Ek went at lengths to make it the most user-friendly heat pump ever. They worked a lot with the icons in the interface. They should be nice and friendly, but still explain their functions at once, be it to change a setting or to find certain information. The result is a heat pump that is easier and more fun to use than any other on the market. The new generation of heat pumps are not only more good-looking and easier to use, they're also more efficient. With quicker and more energy-efficient water heating and double low-energy circulation pumps, they provide even more heating for your money. At the same time, we've managed to reduce the sound levels to an all-time low. Developing a whole new product series means a whole new way of manufacturing heat pumps. This has led to new machines, new methods, new workflows and new routines. The new generation of heat pumps is completely modular. We already know that components will be changed over the years and that every model will be made in several versions and for a number of different markets. This way, we are prepared for this from day one, and making improvements and getting them into production will be easier and quicker than ever. But the modular system also allows for more clever manufacturing process, where we, for example, can wait until the very last minute with deciding what model a certain heat pump is to be. This helps us in getting shorter lead times and faster deliveries. The new generation of heat pumps might not change the world, but they will cut costs, reduce energy consumption, reduce carbon dioxide emissions, and make life a lot easier for a lot of people. And to be honest, that's good enough for us.